Welcome to the Crypto Andrew channel. Let's look at Top Hat. I believe that's the token I'm going over MOG. I don't know what I'm talking about. I'm going over MOG. So I'm still in my trade on Popcat. That's why I was thinking about Popcat. And I just doubled down on this trade, or not quite doubled down, but I put more money into this trade. I put maybe another 40% of my money into MOG token, basic at the same price. My average price right now is 18.5. Right now, the price, as you can see, is 18.4 pretty much. I got in this trade right here initially on the 7th of October. It went all the way down to 13.2. My stop was 12. Now my stop is 13. So right below that last local low, and it's at this 200 smooth moving average, which is this thicker the yellow line on the 5.5 hour time frame, which is the 333-minute time frame. And right now, yes, the 5.5 hour time frame is still overbought, but then when I go down to look at like the 4 hour, that's going and making a higher low. It's very likely that happens. At least the 3 hours already oversold. Look how fast the stock RSI went down. When that happens, usually there's a big pump after I've back tested this before. The 2 hour time frame is oversold, already about to start covering back up on the stock RSI. That's a very bullish sign. You had this, well, I'll get to that in a second. The 1 hour time frame is covering back to the upside on the stock RSI. If we go down to the 33-minute time frame, that is kind of struggling, but the 15-minute doesn't look good either. But now, technically speaking, I'm not really bearish on the 15-minute unless I see it make a lower high, which is done. But then as long as you don't make a lower low, and as long as you don't lose 17.7 on your leg down here, I'm still liking where the price is at. So overall, even those time frames look okay. Sometimes the smaller time frames need to go sideways for the bigger time frames to reset, such as this case as about the 4 or 5 hour time frame. So right now, I still love where we're at. This is a long-term trade, right? I've been in this trade for 5 days already, and I just added to it again. At one point, I was down 50% on the trade. Now my stop loss is slightly above that, but actually, no, I don't think it is. I think it's still at 50% on my stop. My first measure move to the upside is 21.7. Then the all-time high is at 25. I think if you can get above 22, we're gonna have a pretty quick gap to 25, which is the all-time highs. Not financial advice. If I go back down to the 15-minute time frame, which I was trying to show you earlier, we had this little bit of a bullpen forming here. We have not had the measure move. That is up there at 21.5. I still think that's going to happen. Just give it some time. It's been in a nice uptrend ever since. Not a sharp uptrend, but I'd rather go up slowly than fast. So that's the trade I'm in. I like both Popcat and MOG right now. And if I didn't like it, I want to double down. So we'll see what happens. If it does go back down, then yeah, I'm going to lose more money. We'll see what happens. If you guys have requests for other altcoins, let me know in the comment section below. Remember, I will be live earlier than normal tomorrow, Monday at 6 p.m. Central Time. But usually I go live Mondays and Saturdays at 11 p.m. Central Time. If you guys want to join the Telegram group so you can stay up to date whenever I go live. If I ever have to tweak the times, that is a free place to join, so no reason not to join that Telegram group. I also have a Discord if you guys want to join that. Link to join that is on YouTube. If you guys enjoy this, appreciate it if you hit the like and hit the follow button, hit the subscribe button, I should say, if you guys are new, appreciate it. And hit the bell notification so you get notified every time I post a video. But that's my update on MOG. I do like what I'm seeing from the charts, hence why I don't usually double down, but I like what I'm seeing on the charts, so I did add to my position. So, with that being said, guys, I'll see you guys tomorrow for the live stream.